Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, I want to talk about a new IPO that should be emerging hopefully sometime early this year. It's called Coinbase. Now, a lot of you might have already heard about Coinbase, but on the off chance that you haven't, you can consider Coinbase as the most popular and best known United States cryptocurrency exchange. So, the company is based in San Francisco. And the last time it had a valuation, I believe it was back in 2018. It had a valuation of $8 billion back then. But you have to realize in 2018, it was around this time where Bitcoin was seeing its way down. Now, Bitcoin since then has seen a double up in price. So you can expect that the valuation of Coinbase itself is going to be worth more than $8 billion. Now, before I get into why I'm excited about this IPO, I want to talk a little bit about the bearish case for this. So, Coinbase relies heavily on trading transactions for a majority of their income right now. So, what that essentially means is lower crypto prices equals less money for the firm. Now, you have to realize right now that's currently not going to be a problem because Bitcoin is so high. But we also have to take into account how volatile crypto is right now, which means if we see another huge drop in crypto, that means essentially less revenue for Coinbase. And on top of that, the crypto industry has struggled a lot in the past with legitimacy, including money laundering and black market affiliations. And it also faces United States threats, including regulation, as this currency is becoming more popular. Now, in regards to regulation, I think overall regulation will help a lot of the average investors. It'll basically help them legitimize crypto. It'll help legitimize buying into it. Now, on the other side of the coin, government regulations also mean that crypto, particularly Bitcoin, will lose a lot of its initial appeal of being a decentralized currency. Now, aside from that, the reason I'm actually excited about this company is I think, unlike a lot of many other companies last year, Coinbase has actually claimed multiple quarters of profitability. And not only that, Coinbase is also building out other streams of revenue. So that includes custody as a service. And this essentially means that large firms that want to safely store large amounts of their crypto holdings. Coinbase will also be coming out with a debit card, and they're also looking into crypto loan programs. So all this stuff is really exciting, especially as we get more into the year and as we look forward and past the idea of old school banks and the US dollar. The crypto market is very exciting right now, and I honestly believe it's the future. And a lot of other investors do too. If you look up an investor, Chamath, he has a great bullish case on Bitcoin. He was one of the early adopters and investors of it. So I think as we get into the year and past 2025, 2030, we're going to start seeing the adoption of Bitcoin and crypto. I honestly think it's inevitable, as I think we're going to be seeing a boom in the fintech industry within the next few years. So that's basically my bullish case on the Coinbase IPO. I honestly think it's really interesting. I was actually also reading an article that talked about how MasterCard, Visa, and even JP Morgan are investing in their crypto infrastructure right now. So essentially the bottom line is, if you think the cryptocurrency market is the future of finance, you can bet that Coinbase will be a part of that. So keep your eyes out. Early 2021. Coinbase should be going live via an IPO. All right, guys. Thanks for listening to me, and have a great day.